I swear my girlfriend thinks I'm about to knock at her house right now. Like, she probably thinks I'm about to walk in because I told her to go away because I want to clean the house and I'll be there by 12:30. Is it not quarter to 1? Is it not quarter to 1? I put myself some water, I put my mask on, I put myself some water in my new wine glass, and I'm like, I just wanted to come say hi. I have a closication tomorrow. I have a closication, and I think I should be giving myself time and just being with myself, being and spending time in Rosie instead of spending time with my girlfriend. And yeah, because ke emetse Mqombothi o qobela so that ke tlo kgona ho tlotla and all of that. But I think I'm gonna do that later on. I just took out my book. By the way, I haven't backed. I took out my book. Did I even say hello? How rude am I? How rude am I? I just took out my crystals and my book, and I'm about to just sit down and read. But also, I haven't cleaned the house. Because what the hell? What the hell? Like, what the hell? What the actual hell? I wanted to do a new monthly reset, but then and I want to use, oh my god, you guys are gonna see, ne? I want to put in, because I showed you guys, I'm sure the haul is gonna come up sooner than later. I bought white sheets, so I want to put in my inner in my duvet set, and then just get rid of this brown thingy. Oh my god, like, I'm so excited. Like, this is how my shoes look. This is how dirty my shoes look. Here I come again with my crusty voice. I'm so good doing a voiceover. So I was just so excited to unwrap this because you know how long I've been talking about white sheets and just owning them. This was like my raw reaction to seeing them. So because I was so ready to like just jump into white sheets when I come back. And that is exactly what I did. So I hope you guys are still enjoying this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and just share the video, man. I don't care where you share it. Either you share it on WhatsApp, Facebook, wherever. Like, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. at that point in time, I just realized that I should be packing my things again and just rearranging them, putting them all together in the places where they belong, because I've just been having clothes and the wears and I'm up by all in up some same places, but I just wanted to rearrange that and fold my laundry that I had and just have a clean space, because like I've said before, I deserve to be in a clean space. That makes me just put my mental health or my mental state at peace. So yeah.
Hey besties, so it is the next day. It is 8 o'clock and I just woken up. That means it is the 7th of March. And I do have activities lined up, things I want to do today. But then I thought, oh, okay, you know what? Since I don't think I'm going to be doing anything that is part of the monthly reset for this video, I think I should just do an outro, because I hardly do outros. And the reason is because, oh my god, I'm always explaining. Every time there's because. In one sentence, there's 3 becauses. I realized when I was editing yesterday, and I want to let go of that. Almost said because, but I'm not gonna say because. But let me say because for the last time, because I don't owe anybody an explanation. And yeah, I woke up and went to the bathroom, and then I came back and got back into my sheets, and I am so happy. My body feels so light, and I definitely feel so good. Like, I feel so good, because, oh my god, I said because. I feel so good because I finally got the sheets that I am sleeping in currently. And I want to say something. I want to tell you a backstory about these sheets. Obviously, I follow a lot of creators who are doing lifestyle content, and I just feel inspired by most of them. And yeah, I feel inspired by most of them, and I was starting to manifest this type of lifestyle I want to live, and where I'd like to see myself this year. Because I realized that everything that happens to your life starts in your subconscious mind, and I've always known about that. If you have been watching my videos from last year, you will definitely know that I started doing this, and I just got into my bed with my clothes, which is crazy. I was tired. I should learn how to talk, because I talk about one thing and then I jump to the other thing. And this is an outro. Why is it almost 3 minutes long? What was I saying? Yeah, I've known about how your subconscious mind influence your life and everything from last year, because I started like doing my research about manifestation, the law of attraction, the law of assumption, and everything that I had wanted to manifest. Actually started doing all of that in, I think it was 2021. Yeah, 2021, like around November, December. And I was blown away. I was just like, okay, I want to start manifesting everything that I want into my life. I did that and still felt as if I'm not attracting things the way that I wanted to attract them. But then also, I think it was somehow influenced by Itlozi from my side, because I've always struggled with Itlozi things. If you know, you know. If you watch my videos, you would know exactly why I'm saying that. There were things that I was owing to Amadlozi, so it was sort of hard for me to actually just gain some of the things that I want. But now let's take Josie out of this, because sometimes so now what is happening is that right now I'm just using the lucky girl syndrome, you know. I think manifesting with the law of assumption is better than manifesting with the law of attraction, because it is sometimes hard to actually project these things into your mind and like believe them. When you do that in like a form of scripting, and you're just like, I am da 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 da, I have 1 2 3 1 2 3, your mind is like, bitch, stop lying to yourself. But if you're assuming and you're just give me limits. Oh, I wanna scream. I wanna scream. I mean, I think we'll talk, okay? Kapore good to make it when we will talk. We will.
Yeah, as I was saying, now that I am using like a simple like girl syndrome, everything is just J coming into my life. And I was walking down with my foot. Obviously, I want to be the cleanest person I know, so a clean person wouldn't go back into bed with their dirty feet. So yeah, I think, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna attempt to start vlogging today. But I'm spending the day with my girlfriend. I'm finally able to call her my girlfriend without feeling the cringe in my body. So yeah, I'm spending time with my girlfriend today again, because we spend time together almost every day. So I'm spending time with her, and I don't know, man. I don't know if I want to vlog. I don't know if I want to have her on my like videos. I am not as comfortable, and if you know me, I should change how I speak. And my past self, let me say that, and my past self would want her to be on a video, and she has been on my video. I'll put like a vlog in the description where she was like in the video. I'll put it in the description, or just edit it here. She was on my videos, but I didn't put her face in. And people who knew her came to me and were like, I saw you dating this girl. So you see, so it's like, I don't want people here. I hate the fact that, but like a but shifta speedy saga, let me show you. But shifta speedy saga, niggas bail money, bona ba senka ba sbeya money, beji habaya skolong ka kamarinyaka, but yeah, the jacket like, is this our room? Hi. It's crazy. But then yeah, thank you so much for watching till this far. I love you guys so much. And once again, today kid 7. Thank you for how many subscribers. But then I haven't checked. Last time I checked, we were on 411. I think this is the same video. Nah? It is the same video. Let me stop being crazy. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. I love you so much. I will see you in my next video. Where do I look? Here? No. Here? Yeah. I love you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.